Forever after, there will be love. Brittany, well, the day has finally arrived. The past 6 months first seemed like it was just crawling along, and it would take forever for this day to come.
My Josh, my love, it's finally here, the day I get to become your wife. Thank you for just holding me when I needed to be held. There have been times since I first met you that I wondered if this was right, but there's always a peace that would be very quickly followed. I know in my heart that you are the right one. I know God brought us together at the right time, and that before that, He was working on and in us to prepare us for each other.
Last month has flown by, and here we are, just hours from when this was written, from getting married. I just want you to know how much I love you, and can't wait for you to be my wife. That is going to take a little getting used to. You are going to look beautiful today, and everything will work out smoothly. Love you, Josh.
I'm excited to be able to learn with you and grow with you. I'm excited to raise a family and love them well. I can't wait to just walk down the aisle to you and get to call you my husband. I am so ready for this adventure. Can't wait to journey with you. I love you.
We are gathered here today in the presence of God as family and friends to witness the union of Josh Kerr and Brittany Arkema. We have two purposes at hand. First, we are here to celebrate with Josh and Brittany and to share their family's joy on this wonderful, gorgeous day that God has given us, to offer our support, our encouragement, our prayers, and our love. These two love each other deeply, and they have a wonderful future together.
I, Josh, take you, Brittany, to be my wife. I will accept you and allow you to differ with me. I will love you when life is peaceful and when it is in disorder, when I'm proud of you and when I'm disappointed. I will always try to keep my love growing and to never let it fall in a trap of stagnant security.
I, Brittany, take you, Josh, to be my husband, and I will accept you and allow you to differ with me. I will give you the freedom to be creative, and I will love you when life is peaceful. I will love you when it is in disorder, when I am proud of you, and when I am disappointed. I will always try to keep my love growing, to never let it fall to the trap of stagnancy.
When God is joined together, let no one separate. Josh, you may now kiss your bride. So now I'm very pleased to present for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Josh Kerr.
Brittany has an incredibly kind and empathetic heart. She loves fiercely. She is passionate, loyal, and steadfast. And when you speak, she listens. And in spite of all of our differences, she understands me. And that's more than I could have ever asked for. I got to see glimpses of a guy who loves Jesus, loves Brittany, and works hard. And I don't know that I could ask for anything more for my best friend, except maybe for somebody with better taste in college sports. Go Hawks. That being said, I can't wait to watch the way God uses the two of you to bring his kingdom to Kansas, to Ireland, to wherever you may go. So I thought it would be fitting to end with a little Irish blessing. Josh and Brittany, may love and laughter light your days and warm your heart and home. May good and faithful friends be yours wherever you may roam. May peace and plenty bless your world with joy that long endures. And may all life's passing seasons bring the best to you and yours. Congratulations.
So I kind of feel like I need to start out just defending Josh real quick. Let's go Wildcats. I put on my Wildcat socks for this occasion. Boom. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Something I noticed very quickly was that I probably spoke 4 times the amount that Josh did. And that actually, 4? Only 4? I'm averaging, because this trend continued for the next years to come. More than just a good listener, he is attentive. And I'll just even say something, a small fact or something I was thinking about, and like a year or 2 later, Josh will bring that up. And so I was just thinking about these 2 characteristics as attentive and loyal. And I just think about how imperative these are in a marriage. You being attentive to your wife and loyal and faithful to your life. And I'm like, if you have been practicing these traits for so many years, how amazing of a husband are you going to be? And I'm just so excited to see that you both practice those things towards each other. I'm so excited to see what the years have in store for you guys. So love you both very much. To Josh and Brittany.